Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you some unbelievable prefab homes from a company that up until a couple days ago, I didn't even know existed. Prefab homes come in a lot of different shapes and sizes, and just when I thought I'd seen it all, new shapes, new sizes. What's crazy is there are still a lot of people who think that anything constructed off-site will have limited dimensions and has to take the shape similar to a hot dog, when in reality they're building hot dogs, hamburgers, BLTs, and even pizzas. That isn't a shot at single wides. I think single wides are great, but what I want people to understand is this is an industry capable of way more than most people even know. I feel like I've gone off the rails early on this one. Let me get this back on track. The company I'm talking about is called Lofty Pods, and their goal is to create prefab homes with distinctive design that are sophisticated and unique. Mission accomplished, folks. This company has some very unique designs. What I'm going to do is tell you who they are, show you a few of my favorite models, and yes, I'm going to give you their pricing, so let's do it. There are a lot of companies in the prefab home space building very similar homes. And then there's Lofty Pods. They incorporate clean lines with optimized floor plans, high ceilings, and the best use of windows for maximum sunlight and efficiency. One of their goals over at LP is to keep their prices affordable. I love to hear it because affordability drastically increases the chances of people hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm. To achieve that, the pod houses were designed between 200 and 600 square feet and can be customized to the homeowner's likes and budget by adding one of their lofty add-on rooms in case you want a garage, home office, or whatever else you might need. They build with locally sourced materials that are stored inside their manufacturing facility to eliminate the chance of water intrusion or mold. On top of that, they utilize technology and superior engineering with their designs and builds, which leads to increased energy efficiency. The reason we care is because the last thing you want to do is spend your hard-earned dollars to heat the outside. Doesn't make any sense. The more energy efficient the home, the more money left in your slacks at the end of the month. Simple as that. They say, our house pods are the ideal choice for homeowners that are looking for a small, modern, modular home of superior quality with an optimized floor plan. All of our Lofty Pod model houses are smart homes and feature 2 and 3 bedrooms. On paper, it all sounds pretty good, right? Sure. Well, wait till you see their homes. I'm going to kick things off with my favorite of all their models, the Estonia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home, and in the looks department, I don't think it gets much cooler than this. The home is 1,430 square feet on 2 levels with a crap ton of outdoor space and glass. The ground floor is only 560 square feet, which includes the living room, kitchen, and a half bath. However, in my opinion, the best thing about the ground floor is the covered patio. Likely not included in the price, but after seeing it, it'd be hard to go without. The second level is 870 square feet and where you'll find all 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and another outdoor space. I think this design would be ideal for somewhere with a moderate to warm climate so you could take advantage of all that outdoor space. Can you imagine if you put this house on a city lot in a subdivision with a bunch of white picket fence style houses? Usually subdivisions have a building scheme to ensure that everything looks almost exactly the same, but if they didn't, it's boring. Whoa, what the I'm not sure exactly where just yet, but this model is cracking my top 5 favorite prefab homes, possibly top 3. I would be doing everyone a disservice if I didn't feature one of their smaller, more affordable units, so this is the Antarctica 2. This home is 16 feet wide by 37 feet long for a grand total of 592 square feet. In that space, they managed to fit 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, which is actually pretty impressive given the size. This is a very interesting floor plan. They put a bedroom on either end of the home with its own ensuite and the living room kitchen in the middle with access directly into the bedrooms. I don't know that I've ever seen a 2-bed, 2-bath under 600 square feet, and I know that I've never seen one with an ensuite in both bedrooms, which pretty much means 2 main bedrooms. I like it. There are more firsts on this house. I've never seen a modular with exposed ducts. Usually they're run in the floor of the home with vents coming up through the floor, but no. This is suspended from the ceiling running directly down the middle of the house. I'm curious how high. If there's a chance of hitting your head, that'd be a no for me because I'd be bumping into that thing all day long. What I like best about this home is the dual main bedrooms. I think it's a great setup for people with roommates so nobody feels like they're getting the short straw. Let's check out my second favorite of their models. Last but not least, in this unbelievable lineup of homes, I've picked the Sweden. I guess you could say this home is somewhat similar to the Estonia, just a bit smaller and with more windows. The home is 1,200 square feet on 2 floors with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The first floor is 600 square feet, has the kitchen, living room, and dining room, and is almost completely glass with windows on 3 sides. I really like the look of this home, but for me personally, that might actually be too many windows. Unless it was on a giant property completely secluded, my concern would be feeling like I was in a fishbowl. And don't get me wrong, it's not that there would be a lot of exciting stuff going on that I think people are going to want to look at, but if I want to sit in the living room for too long on a Sunday covered in snacks, I want to do it in privacy. Maybe that's just me. The second level is also 600 square feet and has both bedrooms and both bathrooms. I'm curious to know what people think of these plans that have the living space on the main floor and bedrooms upstairs. Is that something you'd be interested in living in? One change I would probably make would be a bathroom on the main floor. What I like about this model is the look. I think LP has done an amazing job with their designs, and they will give people access to extremely cool looking modern homes for less. Lofty Pods are located in Quebec, which means all of their prices are listed in Canadian dollars, but I will do a USD conversion, which is accurate at the time of posting this video. Going backwards in size and price, first we have the 592 square foot Antarctica 2-bedroom, which has a starting price of $172,900. The 1,200 square foot 2-story with all the glass starts at $294,900. And finally, the 3-bedroom 2.5 bathroom 1,430 square foot Estonia comes in at a starting price of $359,900. All prices and specifications are subject to change based on building location and codes. Lofty Pods seem to have found a bit of a sweet spot between providing cool high-end homes and price. There are other companies building cool looking homes, but they're way more money. I know I say it in almost every video, but I really think the prefab home industry has a lot to offer, from affordable to high end and everything in between. I've linked to the Lofty Pod website below in the description if you want to check out more of what they've got to offer, because I've really just scratched the surface. I'm going to add LP to my watch list, and if they get up to anything else noteworthy, I will be sure to do an update and post it right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.